Welcome. In this video, I want to talk about Walmart app and on a customer side, how a customer places an order for delivery and the delivery happens and the steps that on the customer side that they receive text messages. Welcome. In this video, I want to talk about Walmart app and on a customer side, how a customer places an order for delivery and the delivery happens and the steps that on the customer side that they receive text messages and stuff like that. So if you go to Play Store, and let's turn this up, you can download the Walmart shopping and grocery app, which we're going to open it right now. And I already have set up an order for myself, but I want to actually touch a few things on that order. So first of all, Walmart has a really good search bar, but I like the most their Skinner barcode scanner app. So the barcode scanner app, very nicely to use. Let's say you're running something out, let's say milk. You grab your phone, you scan the barcode, immediately add to your shopping list, and that is the beauty part. Now to get out of this, that's where I'm kind of not sure. There it is. So we did set up a shopping cart. I already did put in a from 1 to 2 o'clock. Let me check if anything changed. I'll do it from 2 to 3. Okay, we're gonna reserve. Oh, and not pickup. I'm gonna go to delivery. And delivery. Yeah, 2 to 3 would be fine. Reserve. So we have items that I put in for delivery. If you have less than $35, they'll charge you a small order fee of $7. As a driver, if you do a certain amount of deliveries a month, the next month they'll give you a free Walmart Plus, which that's what I have, so I don't pay the $7.95 delivery fee. Taxes will be calculated, so let's continue to checkout. They're saying, hey, make sure you get other stuff that you might be running out. I am not going to. So delivery from the store from between 2 and 3 o'clock, delivery address. I'm going to sign for an order. There's a reason why I'm selecting this, because GPS in my neighborhood is messed up and it's going to send to the wrong mobile home. So I want to make sure that they deliver to the right place. So payment. Do we need subscription preference? On substitution, I want no substitutions. Done. And here's at the bottom. In a browser mode, if you're doing it on a computer, you're not going to have an option to alter your tip until the delivery is complete. Here, it automatically sets to $7. You can change it to $4, $10, or custom. And you don't even have to change the. As soon as you get custom, it takes it to 0. Because I'll try to deliver this order myself, I'm going to leave it at 0. Also discourage other drivers taking the order, so I can hopefully land it. So place order. I'm going to place it. And as you can see right now, the order will be roughly about $35.40. Delivery today between 2 and 3. and I have for another 2.5 hours to add any additional items that I might have forgotten. So I will continue this video and kind of walk you guys through as the order gets closer towards picking, as well as when I arrive to pick it up, when I try to get the order and arrive to pick it up, so you guys can see. So the theory about tip baiting, as you guys have already seen, if they're placing it off of a computer, they're not able to remove that tip until after you complete the order. And that might be what happened with some of the customers normally would not want to give you the tip to even begin with, but they don't have an option until after you deliver the order. So it is Walmart system. It is their system glitching that they purposely created that way to be. Okay, as you guys can see, it is 1:04. Those that can't, right there on the screen. I'll show you guys the message I received from Walmart 4 hours ago. Delivery order received. We'll send you when the order is on the way. So that's what I received so far. Let's go to the Walmart app and see what the app says on the screen. As we are about 15 minutes away from the drop, whatever that's supposed to mean, not sure. Actually, I'm supposed to go somewhere right there. So preparing, it's still under preparing status, scheduled between 2 and 3. If I click on more, nothing might change other than is what you guys see on the screen and the order information. So let's see what happens in 15 minutes. Okay, as you guys can also see on the screen here, two weight adjusted items. So prices were adjusted based on items that were weight. So we had tomatoes that went over a pound, and what else they could have adjusted by weight. That's the only thing. So why 2 items by weight? I'm not sure. Okay, I am on my way to pick up the order at Walmart. My order got paired with another customer's order, but if you look at the Walmart app, nothing changed. Still says being prepared, even though order is ready and I'm on my way to pick them up. So maybe so we are on our way to pick the order up. 2 orders, 7 miles, $20. App still says getting prepared, so let's go get to Walmart. And when we get to Walmart and I hit arrived, we'll look at it again and see what happens. Okay, when I hit accepted the order and hit start delivery, then it switched over to on the way. I also got messages. Your delivery isn't right. Get excited. Your driver is on the way with your order and should be there by 1:36. Okay, so I have delivered the order, and these are the text messages that was received from Walmart. We've seen the first one, get excited. The second one, your Walmart delivery has arrived. Yaroslav is uploading your order and is ready to meet you at your door. Then another text message received, your Walmart order was delivered on 7/25. You can use your app to tip your driver. So on the Walmart app side, Delivery complete. Your order was delivered. Time. Tap to add the tip on your delivery and leave the feedback. Now, if we go to the Walmart app, we see we have a add tip, which we have delivered ordered. And if we hit add tip, then we see ratings. We can add tip, which I'm not going to add tip to myself so I can pay taxes on it. What's the point? And hit confirm. So that's what then I guess there's a return that you can start as well. So that is the process of what customer sees when they go through a delivery, requesting a delivery of groceries. So be blessed, be successful.